A little bit of paper can make a world of difference. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and I'll explain why some insulation has a paper face and when and how you should use it right after this. Looking for easy home improvements? Instantly refresh the look of your bathroom by changing the grill on your bath fan or by adding one with a decorative light. If your mirror stays foggy after a shower, it's time for a new bath fan altogether. The Braun Upgrade Kit lets you convert your bath fan to a new one in less than 10 minutes. In the kitchen, consider replacing your range hood with a Braun under cabinet hood. It's so easy to install, you don't even need a contractor. Learn more at Braun.com. Braun New Tone, come home to fresh air. One of your best investment dollars is spent on upgrading your insulation, but make sure you're using the right kind. Insulation in rolls, called bats, comes in two varieties, faced and unfaced. What that means is that it either does or does not have a craft paper on one side. Faced, or the type with paper, is typically used in first-time applications, such as in walls, ceilings, floors, and in crawl spaces. Anytime you use a faced insulation, the paper needs to be facing toward the living space. So in an attic, the paper faces downward, and in a crawl space, it faces upward. Unfaced insulation, the type without paper, is what you would use if you're adding insulation to your attic or to a place between floors when living space is above and below. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.